Emmy and Randy Kids.
Hello there and welcome to another video. Thank you so much for watching this video. In today's video, there's a new story that I'm sure you're going to love. It's called Bedtime ABCs. So yes, it's time for Mohammed to go to bed. He's had a long day, so he has to go to bed, but he's having some trouble falling asleep. So his dad gives him an idea. Let's see what he's going to do. Mohammed is trying to fall asleep in bed. Instead of counting sheep, his dad suggests he reviews the ABC instead. He decides to give it a try. He decides to give it a try. Can you spot all the items he will identify? Okay, let's go. He begins to go through the alphabet. A is for apple. Can you see an apple in this picture? B is for ball. Where's the ball in this picture? C is for cat. Do you see a cat in this picture? D is for dinosaur. Rawr! Okay, do you see a dinosaur in this picture? E is for egg. Where's the egg in this picture? F is for fire truck. All right, I think I see the fire truck. Do you see the fire truck? G is for giraffe. Giraffes are very tall animals. I don't see a giraffe in the room. Do you see the giraffe? H is for hat. Do you see the hat? Do you like wearing hats? I is for igloo. Oh my goodness, what happened to Mohammed's room? It looks like it's snowing in there. Do you see the igloo? Oh my goodness. Oh, cold. J is for jellyfish. I see the jellyfish, but I wonder how did the jellyfish get up there? K is for kite. Mohammed, you're supposed to be sleeping, not flying a kite. Oh my goodness. L is for lion. Rawr! Do you see the lion? Tell me, where's the lion? Oh yeah, I see the lion too. M M is for mirror. Do you see the mirror? N is for noon. Okay, so a little backstory. Mohammed is actually also learning Arabic. Arabic is a language that has its own alphabet. Do you see the yellow letter on the floor? That's the letter noon. O is for octopus. Do you see the octopus? P is for penguin. Do you see the penguin? Q is for quilt. Do you see a quilt? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh my goodness. Mohammed's blanket. It used to be white, but now it's a quilt. Oh my goodness. R is for robot. Do you see a robot? S is for sun. Oh look, there's the sun. And guess what? Mohammed's room is so bright. Do you think he'll be able to go to sleep with the room so bright? T is for train. Choo choo, choo choo. Do you see the train? All right, it looks like his room is dark again, but with the noise all the train is causing, do you think he'll be able to go to sleep? Choo choo. U is for umbrella. Where's the umbrella? Oh, that's right, it's on the floor. He should remove that from the floor or else he'll trip. V is for van. Do you see the van? W is for wheel. Do you see a wheel in the room? Oh, that's right, there's a wheel on the floor. It's a color wheel. X is for xylophone. Do you see the xylophone? Y is for yellow. Do you see a yellow item in the room? Oh, that's right, his lamp. It used to be purple and now it's yellow. How did that happen? Z is for zebra. Do you see a zebra in the room? Mohammed has gone through the ABCs, but look like he's still awake. Oh, looks like he will have to count sheep after all. All right, that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed this story. It's too bad Mohammed wasn't able to go to sleep, but that's okay. Some nights it's more difficult to go to sleep. I'm sure he'll fall asleep after counting sheep. Don't forget to subscribe and also like and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.